Alexa, play Bob the Builder theme song.
Here's Bob the Builder, 1998 theme song by Geek Music on
Alexa,
Amazon Music.
Play Bob the Builder by Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder by Kids Now on Amazon Music.
Shoot. What's up, garbage lovers? You like trash? This guy does. Tonight we're gonna draw the first boss from Yokai Watch 3. Tonight's character's name, none other than Junkernaut. Clank. That's right, folks. Junkernaut. Clank. The first boss from Yokai Watch 3. At first, I never got a chance to understand at first, but what's stopping us now?
Right a little. Okay, straight down. We can tackle any situation. Look out, here we come. Can we dig it? Yes! Can we build it? Yes! Can we fix it? Yes! Bob the
Here's the upper half.
Can we fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Digging and fixing, having so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Can we dig it? Yes! Can we build it? Yes! Can we fix it? Yes! Bob the Builder. Yeah. Bob the Builder. All together now. Bob the Builder. Can we
Mostly this guy's body is protected and guarded, covered in garbage. And it's protected by garbage as well. That's how he often protects himself. Sometimes yokai can become whatever. Sometimes even garbage can become yokai themselves. After all, these beings are legendary. I want a chance to touch one with my own fingers. Not metaphorically speaking. Really odd. Alexa, what is Parasaurolophus?
Parasaurolophus is a genus of herbivorous hadrosaurid ornithopod dinosaur that lived in what is now North America and possibly Asia during the late Cretaceous period, about 76.5 to 73 million years ago. It was a herbivore that walked both as a biped and as a quadruped. 3 species are universally recognized: P. walkeri, P. tubusan, and the short-crested P. surtocrastatus.
Here's the tire. Alexa, shuffle songs by Bob the Builder.
Here's some music by Bob the Builder on Amazon Music.
Are you ready, Bob?
Yes.
What about you, Lumpy?
Okay, team, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody's outside, so come on, let's ride to the builder's yard around the corner. The gang's all here, and it's time for us to do what we wanna. There's a house with a roof that leaks. It's an urgent job, and it could take us weeks. There's Dizzy, Lofty, and Rolly too. Wendy always knows just what to do. There's no job too big or small. With Scoop and Mug, we can do it all. Metal, brick, or wood, it's all good. We can always send in the tractor. A little bit of timber and a saw. A little bit of fixing, that's for sure. A little bit of digging up the roads. A little bit of moving heavy loads. A little bit of tiling on the roof. A little bit of
Digging.
waterproof. A little bit of concrete mixed with sand. A little bit of Bob the Builder Man. Careful, Dizzy. Jump up and down and move it all around. Mix it up to the sound. Dig a hole in the ground. Take one step left and one step right. And one to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. And if it looks like this, then you're doing it right. A little bit of timber and a saw. A little bit of fixing, that's for sure. A little bit of digging up the roads. A little bit of moving heavy loads. A little bit of tiling on the roof. A little bit of making waterproof. A little bit of concrete mixed with sand. A little bit of Bob the Builder Man. Mambo number 6 and 7 eighths.
That's a lovely job, Bob.
A little bit of timber and a saw. A little bit of fixing, that's for sure. A little bit of digging up the roads.
Here's the claw.
Heavy loads. A little bit of tiling.
Here's some duct tape. Alexa, what is duct tape?
According to Wikipedia, duct tape is cloth or scrim-bagged pressure-sensitive tape, often coated with polyethylene. There are a variety of constructions using different backings and adhesives, and the term duct tape has been genericized to refer to different cloth tapes with differing purposes.
Gets me all excited.
Boots check. Toolbox
Alexa,
check.
next song.
Dizzy. Dizzy? Oh,
All right.
Dizzy. Come on, Dizzy. Time for you to do a bit of cement mixing. Cement mixing.
Here's his claw like Mr. Krabs.
Ready?
That's right, folks. The entire crew is here to watch me draw this guy.
Dizzy? Dizzy? Dizzy?
Alexa, next song.
I'm so dizzy, my head is spinning like a whirlpool, it never ends. All this mixing's making me spin. You're making me dizzy. The first time that I saw you spin, I knew you had to be part of my team. I did, I knew it. And everybody does agree that really you're a pretty smooth machine.
Yes, I can. Stop it.
Scoop, Rock and Dizzy and Rolly too. Lofty and Wendy join the crew. Bob and the gang have so much fun.
Let's continue, shall we?
Together they get the job done. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Time to get busy, such a lot to do. Building and fixing till it's good as new. Bob and the gang make a really good sound. Working all day till the sun goes down. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Right. Left a bit. Right a little. Okay. Straight down. We can tackle any situation. Look out, here we come. Can we dig it? Yes. Can we build it?
Yes.
Can we fix it?
Sit up. There's the pinwheel.
Digging and mixing, having so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Can we dig it? Yes. Can we build it? Yes. Can we fix it? Yes. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. All together now. Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Bob. Yes. Bob the Builder. Can we fix it? Bob the Builder.
And finished. There he is. That's how you draw the junkernaut. Like. Finally got it finished.
Better get some work done.
I'm sure you guys have been asking yourselves this. What is the definition for garbage? Alexa, next song. Alexa, what is the definition for garbage?
Garbage is usually defined as discarded animal and vegetable matter, as from a kitchen, refuse. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for garbage.
Got that done. There he is. That's how you draw a junkernaut. Click. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. And check out the Yokai Watch playlist. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.